natural oil. I try it now, but in the end I will have to cut it. Put this fish with potato puree on top in the oven. I'll bake it for, I have to check, but 8 to 10 minutes I believe. For you people to see a whole cod, but when you do it like for industrial, the head is taken off. So if you have been in local, you will have seen it, because now it's a lot of fish. We are plating the last component of this dish. This is the mustard sauce. So now we are plating the signature dish of the house. It's grilled stockfish. We serve it with carrot stew. It's very traditional garniture in Norway, served often with fish. We will also add later some crispy bacon around the fish, a little bit on top. So I'm Svein, chef of Skalven. This is our signature dish, grilled stockfish. We serve it for 15,000 guests each year. We have done it for 30 years too.
This is our signature wine, which we often serve to this dish.